Isn't it just too fantastic?
I'm really excited.
Hey, Scooch. Carrie, what's all the revving about?
We've got such a fun job.
Yeah, I can't wait.
Are you two ready?
Yeah!
'Cause those stone walls ain't gonna make themselves. Come on, my little mixers. We've got cement to make.
Yay!
You're building stone walls with Maxine? Oh, it doesn't get any more fun than that.
Right then, my little darling. Follow your Auntie Maxine.
Yay! Bye, Diggs.
Bye, Diggs.
Yeah. See ya. Well, I'm sure Bowser's got a fun job for me, too.
He certainly has, Diggs.
Bowser! I knew it! I knew it! What is it?
Well, we have to make these walls higher. So, we're going to need lots of stones brought over.
Right, yes, lots of stones. And?
Well, that's it. That's your job. Hauling stones backwards and forwards.
No. I know. Bowser, I don't suppose that you would have anything a little more, fun? Hard to imagine, I know.
Well, I do need those signs putting up.
Ooh.
Oh, but they can wait until we finish the walls.
Oh. Yes. Bowser, I think the walls are just perfect the way they are. If they were any higher, then you wouldn't be able to see the, lovely view of those boulders up there.
Good try, Diggs. But that's exactly why we have to make the walls taller.
Yeah.
If those boulders up there came crashing down, the walls just wouldn't be tall enough to stop them.
Oh, right. Okay, Bowser. I'm on my way.
Good.
Sandy, some sand can come in handy. And then water. Now add some cool, clear water. Come on.
Water, we're adding the cool, clear water. Water.
I don't mind that Carrie and Scooch are having fun with their job. I don't mind that Carl and Lug are having fun with their job either.
Go on, Carl.
Oh, well, that's 2 down. Only 2 million to go. Oh, I do mind. I do mind that I've got a boring job and everyone else is having fun. In fact, I mind so much I think I need a little break. And what better way to spend a break than by putting up road signs? I better go and get my grabber.
Hello, Scooch.
Oh, coming back. Pardon me. Coming back. Thank you. I've come back.
You look like you're having fun today.
Oh, I really am. In fact, I'm so happy I could honk.
Oh, no! Scooch, your horn has loosened one of the boulders. Headlights up, Scooch.
Oh dear. That would have left a nasty dent.
So all the more reason to get these walls up. Talking of which, where's Diggs?
Bowser! Bowser! We just made a whole load of cement for the wall, but look! There are only 2 stones over there to make the walls with.
Oh, this is no good. We've got to get this done. Would you mind taking over from Diggs, Carrie?
No problem.
Line behind, line behind.
Those signs look top gear. And what a fun job it was, too.
This is heavy.
Hey, Carrie, what do you think?
Very nice, Diggs. Anyway, can't stop now. Got to go and finish your other job.
What other job?
Your stone shifting job. Huh?
Huh? Hey, wait a minute! Carrie! 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 It may be a boring job, but it was my boring job. Give me that!
Excuse
You
me,
can't catch
get
me
off
now.
my wall. Hey, give me that back.
And Diggs fakes to the left. He fakes to the right. She can't catch him.
I'll head you up at the pass then.
So, playing defence, are we?
Right, Diggs. We're gonna put you up now.
Varoom! Ha! Goal!
I have to say, that was some pretty fancy bucket work, Diggs.
Yeah, and such fun too.
Yeah.
So, care to try to take another boulder from the slippery Digster?
If you care to challenge the speedy karaoke star.
Oh, on game!
Ha! Come on, Diggs. Hey!
Right!
Yay!
Right behind you! Whee! He's coming in! He goes to the
which way
front!
are you gonna go?
He fakes to the back! Diggs! 6 points and the crowd goes wild! And Diggs has possession. He's going for a backdrop!
Ha! Beat him this time.
It's a double slam! Machinery in motion! Dig!
Ha!
Surely there can be no stopping Diggs now! He goes back to the quarry for another boulder.
I'm starting to see a pattern here.
And Diggs takes the goal! Ah, what a great game! Oh, hey, Bozer. Moving those rocks wasn't as boring a job as I thought it was going to be.
That's because you made a game of it, Diggs.
A game I won.
And you know what your prize is? Finding out that you can make a game out of anything.
Oh.
Okay, everybody, let's raise those walls. Here we go. Those walls are beautiful, aren't they?
Oh, they make me so happy. I could.
Headlights up.
Oops.
The walls! They held!
Good work, everybody. And thanks for staying with the stones, Diggs.
Oh, no problem, Bozer. I think I can make anything fun now. Like, us just idling here.
Who's idling? I don't know about you, but I'm chugging across the ocean.
Huh, you don't say. Well, I'm flying across the ocean. Hello down there!